Just woke up here in Rosso, and as you can see we're on a mooring buoy just outside the city. So this is basically the center of the city, as you can see, with a big cruise ship right there. And up there in the mountains you get some of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world. And if you go further south towards the peak there, you have like an underwater volcanic crater where you can dive, and you get these bubbling reefs, and yeah, I mean, this is definitely a very special place. So we're just gonna prepare ourselves now, and then we're gonna take the dinghy into shore and check it out. What you doing, Linn?
I'm filling out our clearance papers for Dominica.
Nice, nice.
So tell me, what have we been up to?
We just came back from a snorkeling tour here at Scott's Head. So yeah, it was a really nice snorkel. This place is definitely a unique spot. There's like, just out here, it's like a huge underwater volcanic crater. Yeah, and as you snorkel out, you come to a reef, and then after just a short while you come to the edge of the reef, which drops down into the crater. So it just continued down. I read on a sign here earlier that it continues down to unknown depth. So I don't know. It's very, very deep down here, so probably some 100 meters or so. And yeah, very, very interesting ecosystem. Unfortunately, a little bit bad visibility today because of the swell, but very cool. We are on the top of Scott's Head, so the southern point of Dominica, and nice. It's very beautiful. It's so cool. I haven't seen a place like this ever, with this underwater volcanic crater and all the like shallow reefs out here, and yeah, it's very cool.
Okay, so our new Swiss friends ordered lobster and got quite a lot of it for one person, I would say.
So I am very happy with that.
Yeah. So you're gonna try it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, that's a new way of eating it. So we're on our way to some kind of hot springs, natural hot springs right now. David and Daniela are going to show us. Yeah, and then maybe we'll snorkel on the Champagne Reef.
What you cooking, Linn?
Pasta with mushroom sauce.
Nice.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I feel like I'm going to fall asleep standing after a day in front of the computer.
Yep. It's been a lot of work done today. And there's been a lot of water falling from the sky as well. Yeah, gonna be a nice dinner. And yeah, it's a wet evening, but it's a beautiful view over Rosso. Good night, everybody.
So we're going to catch the bus to the Trafalgar Falls, but apparently we came a bit too late.
So we made it to the base of the Trafalgar Falls. And
Film there.
it's raining. A little bit. Our plan was to go to the Trafalgar Falls and take a bath in the hot springs over there, but as you saw, it's there's a lot of water and there's a lot of rain coming down right now, so the water is just rising and the waterfalls are getting bigger and bigger, so that was basically impossible to go there and take a bath.
Yeah.
So instead we went to this little place right here with yeah, just like a little spa with hot springs and some relaxation. So yeah, just gonna hang out here for a while. Plan this morning was to go to the other side of the island, to the east coast, and check out some waterfalls and do a little bit of hiking and yeah, just spend the day there. But as you might hear, the rain is just pouring down and it's been basically raining very much for several hours now.
Yeah, it hasn't stopped any time.
No, so we hope for that the sun will break through and stop this rain as soon as possible, so we can go. But yeah, we wait and see what happens. We finally got out from our little cave and the rain has stopped falling from the sky. So now we're walking towards a waterfall again, which is supposed to be a very spectacular one that comes out from a mountain. Like it's like a hole in the mountain, and there the fall is supposed to just blast out of that hole, and it's supposed to be pretty high as well. So yeah, and it's been raining quite a lot, so people are saying that the rivers are overflowing. So we see if we will be able to go there, but we will try. See what happens?
Yeah.
We're on our way to the Sari Sari Waterfall here on Dominica, and just recently Linn decided to turn around to go back to the path, because it's when you're walking here, you're walking along the river, and it's been raining quite a lot the last few days, so most of the rocks are very slippery, and they are big, so it's hard to actually get over them. And sometimes you have to wade in the river, which has pretty strong current at some places. So Linn decided to wait down there, and I continue further up to the waterfall to check it out, because I heard that it's supposed to be spectacular, so I don't really want to miss this waterfall. But yeah, I wish Linn was here as well to share it with me, but I guess I just have to tell her about it when I get down again. Hello everybody, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want to support us even more, you can head to our Patreon page. You can find a link in the description down below. Have a nice day everybody.